Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix brightness if it's not changing or working in your Windows 11. Okay, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and right click on the blank space right here on your desktop. Now click on display settings. Okay. In here, scroll down a bit and you'll be able to find brightness and color. Okay. In here, you should be able to see brightness, or there'll be a slider right here that you can manually adjust, okay, depending on your liking. You can just go ahead and use that slider and you should be good to go. Also, you do have that option or drop down where you'll be able to select or click on change brightness based on content. Okay, make sure that it is turned off. And once that's done, you're good to go. Now, if that still will work, go ahead and right click on your start menu. Now click on device manager, wait for it to load. And then once it loads, first up, under display adapters, right click on your GPU and click on update driver. Okay, in here, click on search automatically for drivers. Now, if it says the best drivers for your device are already installed, you can go back, click on browse right here, let me pick, and select NVIDIA or AMD or Intel. Okay, hit on next and your screen will flicker. Don't worry about it. Now, once that's done, click on under monitors. We have the drop down as well. Select your main monitor, right click on it, click on update and do the same. Okay, automatically go back, browse, let me pick, select generic. Okay, or if you have your specific monitor's signature right here, go ahead and select that and hit on next. Close. Now, if that still will work, okay, you can go ahead and right click on it, click on uninstall, click on uninstall. Once that's done, go ahead and restart computer. And after that, it will just automatically install or update by itself. So once that's done, you're good to go as well. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.